Hello, my name is Elizabeth, and today I'm going to tell you about an experience I had that made me very happy. One day I was with my dad at the mall. We walked past a big room. It was a very large space for dance classes. My dad asked me if I want to learn how to dance. I said yes. The next Tuesday, I had my first dance class. I was very nervous, but happy, very happy. I don't nobody walk and talk to me, and that people will be mean. Yeah, but it was the opposite. The teacher was very kind and come to talk to me along with my classmates. Honestly, I'm the kind of person who doesn't talk much at first. When I do talk, I sometimes feel like I talk too much. But when I feel comfortable, I speak a lot. My classmates and my teacher surround me and start talking to me. I was so nervous I almost died, but I was very happy.